Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. In today's video, we will learn how to convert speech to text using Python. For this purpose, the required packages are speech recognition and PyAudio. Speech recognition API is capable of adoption of speech. This means that the API understands the domain of speech. For example, currencies, addresses, years, all are prescribed into the speech-to-text conversion. There are domain-specific classes defined in the algorithm that recognize these occurrences in the input speech. The API works with both on-prem pre-recorded files as well as live recordings on the microphone in the present working environment. In this tutorial, we will analyze live speech through microphone input in this video. On the other hand, PyAudio is an open source package that allows us to directly record audio through an attached microphone and analyze it with Python in real time. It will help us connect our microphone with Jupyter Notebook, as we will be using Jupyter Notebook in this project. Let's see how to install these packages. For speech recognition, the command is pip install speech recognition. For PyAudio, there are different methods mentioned. In case one method doesn't work for you, try the other one. If none of these work, you can approach me to solve the issue. In our case, we will be using the first method, that is pip install PyAudio, as that works for me. Now open your Anaconda terminal in administrator mode. And run command pip install speech recognition. Make sure that the spellings you have mentioned are correct. Press enter. It will take some time and will install the required library. In my case, this package is already installed, so it will display the message that requirement already satisfied. But in your case, it will fetch the files and will install the module. Once speech recognition module is installed, run another command, that is pip install PyAudio, to install this module. In my case, this module is also installed, so it will display requirements already satisfied. But in your case, both packages will take few minutes to install the required libraries. Once you are done with the installation of the packages, open your Jupyter Notebook and create a new Python 3 file to start writing the code. Import speech recognition module as SR. Run it to check if the package is imported successfully or not. Now create a recognizer object to store voice input. We will now directly use the microphone module to capture voice input. Specify the first microphone to be used for a duration of 3 seconds. Device index 0 means we are using the first microphone from the list of microphones that the microphone class will get. The algorithm will also adjust given input and clear any ambient noise using the function adjust for ambient noise. Pass source and duration is equals to 3 as parameter. Print say something. Now call listen function to start recording and save it in an object of audio. Use the recognition function to describe spoken words to text. We will use try catch to avoid exceptions when no input voice is detected. Now let's run the program and see if it works. Hello from programmer. So you see, I said hello from a programmer and it displayed it in the text form. Now let's modify our code and add language parameter here in the recognize Google function. Pass language parameter in 2-digit format such that first give 2-digit language code and then country code. For example, just like here I gave UR for Urdu and PK for Pakistan. Now let's run it again. उर्दू पाकिस्तान की कौमी ज़ुबान है. As you can see, it has displayed what I said in the Urdu language here. So we can use the same code to translate our voice to any language by specifying the language parameter. That's it. Link of the code is given in the description of this video. If you learned something new from this video, like it and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.